Yeah, he doesn't like loading his mouth. Like, oh, beautiful. It's faster, faster. I'm pulling it out of my hand. I'm going to digest that for a second. Nope, and I can let go.
He's got the best method, actually.
How I do it. Got a mouthful there. Drink it first. You gotta drink a little. He won't let go. I can't pull it out. His teeth are on it. You got a big mouthful. Drink that up. You're slopping it all over. Yeah, please, can you drink it off my sweater, please? What was his foot? Yeah, where'd it go? Where'd my foot go? He's got long claws. He's great. He picks on anything in his bed. When you pick him up, like where's the clean him? He grabs his box.
Claws really grabby. Oh, he's grown. Look at the belly on him.
He's fat.
You're Chibbo.
What do you want, Sam?
What's wrong with this picture?
Yeah, I know.
What?
You got the predator sitting right there. Yeah, you fatten it up for me.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Yeah, when he's done, he's done.
Yeah.
I put his mouth on it and then took his mouth off. That's it. Can you just hold that?
And you gotta bath him.
You don't have to every time.
No,
I already bathed him once.
I bathed him. Did you bath him today? Yeah. No, I did too. So he's had 2 baths. He has grown. Look at him.
Look at him.
He's doing really well. Chico.
Oh, Chico. Chico. Ew, you pooped on me.
Oh.
That's a good sign.
Yeah, that's good.
I might pee on you. Well, put him back.
I think he did pee on you.
I think he peed and pooped on me. I think he's like, okay, put me back right now. That is good. Let go. Let go, Chico.
I hate to ask, where's the pee?
On my shirt. Weird on my shirt.
Wonderful.
Oh, quick, put him back.
Put him